Sa puting labada, hindi sapat ang sabong panlaba. May kumakapit pa rin mikrobyo dito. Dapat germ-free ang linis. Kaya kailangan Zonrox para litaw na litaw ang kaputian at mikrobyo seco. Ox na ox sa konting Zonrox.
Ang nasidiba, ang paradiso, paradiso, ang pinakaharap mong sarap. Paradiso, siguradong sariwa ang isda. Under an excellent sanitary environment. Kaya, masarap. Paradiso Sardines, Paradiso, Paradiso Sardines. Ang hinaharap-harap mong sarap. By Hermes, known for quality catfish worldwide.
Before, hair needed 100 brush strokes to release its natural oils to make it shine.
Now, I have new Lux Super Rich.
With nourishing oil complex, Lux nourishes deep inside. Shines like 100 brush strokes. That's Star treatment.
For my hair, for my Lux.
The luxury of glorious shiny hair.
Basta tibay, yun yun!
Tess, lunch break.
Sandali lang. Mag-green cross muna ako.
Han, ang sakit ng katawan ko. Masahe naman.
Sure, Green Cross para maginhawa.
Ang gwapo-gwapo ng apo ko. Kamukhang kamukha ako.
Ay naman.
Pakarga nga.
Teka, mag-Green Cross ka muna.
Para sigurado, Green Cross muna.
Get one raffle number for every 5,000 peso ADB in your Coco Bank savings, checking, and Money May ATM.
Mga kababayan ko!
Pag panahon ng halalan, may kanya-kanya tayong kandidato. Ngunit pagkatapos nito, magsama-sama ulit tayo. Suportahan natin ang bagong gobyerno. Wala nang sumbatan. Tapusin na ang nakaraan. Magsimula ulit tayo. Suportahan natin ang bagong gobyerno kahit sino pa ang manalo. Hindi ba't ito ang tunay na diwa ng pagkakaisa? Isang panawagan mula sa PLDT.
Before, hair needed 100 brush strokes to release its natural oils to make it shine.
Now, I have new Lux Super Rich.
With nourishing oil complex, Lux nourishes deep inside. Shines like 100 brush strokes. That's Star treatment.
For my hair, for my Lux.
The luxury of glorious shiny hair.
Phineas and Ferb thought their beloved pet was...
just a platypus. He doesn't do much.
They were wrong.
He's a secret agent!
You're a secret agent?
Join Phineas and Ferb in an all-new movie as they discover Perry's true identity in Phineas and Ferb Across the Second Dimension. Coming summer 2011, only on Disney Channel and Disney XD.
Pagka, yung girlfriend mo, ganito kaganda. Kumusta? Pero yung boses niya,
okay lang!
Programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.